How to improve your trading. Hi guys, today I'm going to talk about what I wish I could have done with the first year of my trading, and I believe if I'd done that, I would have been in a better place earlier than what eventually happened with me. So let's get into it. By the way, if you're new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss future videos. Like this video, I do not sell anything, you don't buy anything. Everything that you get from me is actually for free. If you're looking to download Forex robots, indicators, books, and stuff like that, there are links in the description box below. Visit those blogs and see if you cannot find what you're looking for. Let's get into the video then. So basically, what I think could have made me a consistently profitable trader earlier than I did um, was actually maybe 3 points. Maybe 3 points. There might be more, but I think it's three key points. The first one, I think I needed the right education. Guys, don't learn things on Instagram. Bad idea. Many of you traders out there are trying to learn trading styles from Instagram. It's good and fine that you find these guys that are posting the lifestyle, they are promoting their robots, they are promoting their systems, they are promoting their mentorships, their classes, and stuff like that. But understand that it's just promotions on Instagram. So you tend to find people taking like 100 lots, 10 lots, 1,000 lots, if there is anything like that. And then you are tempted from there to also want to go into your $100 account and suddenly place 10 huge lots on that account. Obviously, one slight drawdown, boom, you're out, and you're wondering what's happening with it's not working for you. What's happening is you are not getting the right education. I do not necessarily mean that you need to always pay for education. Of course, mentors and these guys will probably want to tell you that there is no other way to learn trading other than joining their classes, their mentorships, and stuff like that. Somewhat true, but somewhat incorrect. Uh, I believe if you give yourself enough time and motivation and effort, you can actually learn to trade on your own. What you need are resources like YouTube. On YouTube, there are traders, of course, that are just selling rubbish and that are just talking rubbish and stuff like that. But you find there are also people who are experienced, who have been trading and who are sharing their own experiences via their YouTube channels. By the way, please subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. I'm trying to be one of those people. And you also find that there are many online resources, free online resources, baby peeps, um, comes to mind. You can also join various classes and stuff like that. But instead of trying to learn to trade via Instagram, bad idea. Nobody shows their losses or their worst nightmare, their worst days on Instagram. Try to learn what you can from YouTube, from baby peeps, from googling things. Above all, nobody is going to teach you to trade. Trust me. Above all, nobody is going to teach you to trade because we might show you how to fire a rifle, but it doesn't mean that you are suddenly a good soldier or you are suddenly a sniper or you are suddenly Rambo. Yes, you might know how to fire a weapon, but if we just put you in the field one afternoon, that same afternoon you are dead, you are gone, if you get what I mean. So you might be taught how to trade by these mentors, by these classes, so much knowledge. But if you do not practice yourself, if you do not internalize the lessons, especially practicing, practice, there is no other way to learn trading instead of practicing hard work. It's hard work. I'm shocked when people just want to come into the market today and the following day they are making millions. You need to backtest your strategy, backtest everything. That because your mentor says he was a trader at a huge bank and he knows how to trade and you've seen him make millions. Uh, it doesn't mean that if you take his strategy, you are going to be profitable. There's nothing like that. Your mentor probably is making millions because they back tested their strategy like crazy and they have the experience in the markets, which is what you're lacking. So you find that even when people are given the perfect strategy, I mean the holy grail of trading, people will still mess it up and people will still blow accounts. Why? Because education alone is not enough. You need to actually get into the markets and get your hands dirty. So, right education, then practice. I did try to be a millionaire in less than a year trading. It did not work out for me until I realized that I was lacking in knowledge. I was lacking in knowledge and experience. Don't make the same mistake. So, what you want to do is know how to manage your risk. Aish, this one. People are always wanting to flip accounts overnight. People do it. Trust me, people do it. But if you do not know what you are doing, you are playing with fire. You are playing with fire. Don't try to do what the Instagram traders are doing. Apply proper risk management. For most of the guys, it's your last deposit and you are risking that account as if you have got a mine of gold somewhere. It's your last account and you are trading standard lots like nobody's business. Learn to apply risk management. As a trader, you are first of all a risk manager before you are a wealth creator. Learn to manage your risk. It ensures that tomorrow you can still come back and try again, and tomorrow after you can come and still try again. If you fail today, if your risk management is good, it means you still have more chances to try and try and try. If your risk management is bad, you only get one chance and you are done, you're out. I don't know why people don't get this point. So risk management. There is no use having the perfect strategy or the perfect system when you can only take one trade and you're out. You might have 99 winning trades because your risk management is bad. One trade will take you out. All those 99 good trades don't count for anything. It happens. Go on YouTube and search for these things. It happens. A person has just been growing this account, uh, a good record, and then they decide to just risk it all on one trade, and that one trade goes bad, and everything comes tumbling down. It happens. Risk management. Don't be greedy. Don't try to do what the Instagram traders are doing. Then, thirdly, don't overcomplicate your life. This is important. Many people try to overcomplicate their lives. Too many indicators, too many systems, this system, that indicator, trying to follow this strategy, then they flip again, they try to follow this strategy. Today they are following this mentor, tomorrow they are in that other group, tomorrow they are in that other group. You are trying all these sort of styles, strategies, indicators, systems, and everything. You'll find that at the end of the day, you are going to have the knowledge about how the system works, how it what happens in the system, what happens in trading, but you are not going to be making money. It happened to me first year of trading. I I knew everything, but I was not profitable. Why? My mind was all over the place. Find a single thing that you can master, a single system that you can master. If you have questions, leave them in the comment section below. Like this video, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Until next time, bye.